So huge shout out to Sheck's Closet for plugging these early. We got an early look at the cool gray 11s dropping December 11th. If you guys want a little bit more of an in-depth review, make sure you guys stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll talk about these right here. But yeah, these are actually kind of crazy. I know I was saying in the House of Hype that I'm not a huge fan of cool gray 11s. I might have to switch up for these. Who knows? Who knows? We got the man himself, Tan Tang, aka Pretty Rick, with the cream Ultra Boost today. You know, I was not expecting that when I walked in the office.
You know, I'm not all about the hype.
Wow. You know, editor. Can we get the womp, womp, womp?
All I'm saying is I'm trying to show Adidas a little bit more love on the daily. And you can't go wrong with these, man.
All right.
What are you up to?
Today, I'm going to be heading over to Sneak City. Going to be doing a trade for the... I saw a pair of off-white Prestos she posted up.
The black ones?
The black ones. The OGs.
How'd you have those?
Those were from Shanghai.
Oh, those are the Shanghai pairs.
They look real, though. You saw them at the house?
You better get rid of them.
Those are the Shanghai...
Don't get them mixed up.
Those are the Shanghai specials, so...
Could have got away with those, but okay, so you're going to Sneak City.
Going to Sneak City, doing a trade. I got a lot of hats. I don't know how I accumulated like 10 Supreme hats, Fear of God hat. Like, I think I have 10, 15...
So you're gonna trade away those to get the Prestos.
Hopefully it makes a dent into the price, you know what I mean?
I'm saying, man, the tough negotiators out there.
Yeah, they're tough. All right, so I just got these in the mail. A lot of people are asking me to unbox them on my Instagram. If you guys are not following my Instagram, by the way, make sure you guys do so. Richie Le 23. Your boy just got verified. You know, I have swag on them real quick. Just so we got the gray pair right here. There was a black, there was a white with a little bit of a multicolor in them. This color is crazy in person. Wow. Much better in person than the photos, I would say. The quality, like the different layers, and just like the hand feel feels really good. The suede is definitely very, very thick. It kind of reminds me of the Fragment Sakai suede. A lot of people were saying they really like this suede right here. You can see how fuzzy it is. Very, very similar. So quality is definitely really on point. I love the little purple right here. You got like the deconstructed material right here on the tongue. Overall, I think these are going for like $275, maybe $280, which is definitely not bad. A really, really low-key, under-the-radar sneaker that I think will eventually go up a little bit. Not crazy like, you know, ALD New Balances or anything, but I do foresee these going up a little bit, maybe to like $450. But overall, solid pickup. I think these are clean, very cool for casual wear. So we got these right here. Recommend those for sure. And I also wanted to let you guys know, I put these on my Instagram. I don't know, I was getting so many messages about these that I couldn't even go through them in my DMs. So I'm putting out the call out right now. If you guys are serious about purchasing these, please email richiele@gmail.com. It was just too much to kind of respond to people on Instagram, but these are it right here. A lot of people are telling me I was kind of lowballing myself. You guys let me know. I was asking $9,000 or best offer, and these are for sale. All right, boom, both of them, both my Grails right here. I know a lot of people are like, hey man, you're lowballing yourself, you're gonna regret this. Trust me, sometimes I have my reason. I'll explain it later, but both of them are in immaculate condition. These are pretty much, I wore these for like 10 minutes for a photo shoot. You can see right here, but nah, I ain't gonna do it. Icy soles. These are super, super clean. But yeah, overall, these are both for sale. The black pair is size 9. The white pair is size 8.5. And trust me, guys, these are only going up in price. I think the last selling prices on StockX were $7,000 and $6,000. And that is separate. So that is what, $13,000 when they're brand new. So I'm asking $9,000 or best offers. If you guys are serious, definitely email me and we'll talk. Might even accept some trades for some Yeezy 2s, some Red Octobers. Let me know. That's pretty much it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram. We are gonna be doing a crazy giveaway as well, I think next week, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Solid pickup. Peace. All right, so when it comes to these right here, actually overbidded on Grailed. I accidentally put in 2 bids on Grailed. I don't think you could actually retract your bid, so I ended up getting 2 pairs. So you could have this pair right here. And you were saying you were actually trying to buy them?
Yeah, I saw it on eBay and I messaged the guy. I was like, hey, you still got it available? He's like,
sold.
Nah, sold.
Well, that was me. All right, happy birthday, man. All right, guys, so right now we're just grabbing some lunch. We ordered this uni with the quail egg.
Rich, didn't you fish for it? And you had a little accident?
Remember guys when I was in Hawaii, my foot was swollen with a bunch of stingers? That is this right here. That's what I was trying to get.
Man.
Anyways.
And then shout out to the little extra touch with the quail egg yolk. Do it.
So a little slight dab right there.
Wow.
Wow. Shout out to Mark Wings.
Oh, wow. That's hard. I like it.
All right, we're gonna dig in. What's going on, Bruce?
How you doing, Richie?
All right, man. So here are the items that I brought up. Could you tally these up? And I would be interested in the off-white Prestos that you guys posted on the story. Here they are, guys. I sold Tan, my pair, the size 9 for, I think, 600 bucks. So yeah, ever since then, I was like, man, I gotta get a pair. We'll see what Bruce can do as far as how much my trade is worth. I see, I've been here. I know all this, you know, the black light stuff. I did all this.
When you coming back to work?
Shoot, man, you know, I didn't get paid my wages yet, so I might file a little unpaid wages lawsuit right now to Tia. What are your thoughts on these? I was like, man, I just don't see myself really wearing these.
It's not my favorite of the.
Yeah.
I like the desert moss because it's something different.
Yeah, those pop. So while Bruce is doing that, these caught my eye right here. Feel like these are kind of sleep. Holy! Since when did these become $800? All right, I take back the statement about being some sleepers. Holy. Damn, 800 bucks. That is crazy. These are clean. I was expecting, you know, no disrespect to Sneak City, I was expecting a lot lower. I'm not sure what these go for right now. I'm gonna put these back.
These guys right here, we'd be around like 550. These right here, we'd be around like 190. And then for the Fear God, we'd be at 50. And then for the hats, the Fear God ones, probably at like 70 on this one. It's brand new.
Yeah.
And then for the brown one, it looks pre-owned.
That's for photo shoot, maybe. maybe. I don't know, even if it was for photo shoot.
It'll be like 50 on the
Okay.
brown one. They kill the hype. I'm not sure what the value, you know.
I could tell you, it goes for like 120,
120?
100. Serious. I'm serious. There's always the, are you being serious, Rich? Yeah. No, that goes for like 100. This is John Elliott. This is good stuff. I gotta fight my case over here, you know? Our total, what are we looking at?
550 on this one, 190, 70, 60 on that. Supreme ones, we'd be like 40. Probably these three I would hold off
Okay.
right now. And then we was 50 on the T right there. All right, that'll be 1,000 flat for everything.
1,000 flat for everything. Not bad for some things that, you know, I don't really wear or anything. These are on the forefront of the trade. I really want these, but they have a couple other things that I'm definitely eyeing, so let's check them out. All right, so right now we're just taking a look at the 2002 R from the protection pack. I ended up getting the gray pair recently. I think I paid $270, but they're not going for that much right now, but they're really interesting. A lot of people like how crazy they look, kind of like deconstructed side materials and everything. So I'm gonna try, oh, even the tongue is pretty similar to like an off-white Nike. This part reminds me of the Oswegos, the Raf Simons from this tongue part. I would say they run kind of small, so keep that in mind if you guys are looking for a pair online. Out of all of them, I like the gray pair the most, but yeah, black pair is not bad. All right, guys, so I just tried them on, asked these guys for their input. Obviously, they're gonna say it's a good deal, but you know, it seemed like they gave their genuine input. But I'm gonna go through with the trade. I have been saying for a while that I did want a pair of these, and they're pretty clean, so yeah. I'm gonna be doing that plus a little bit of cash for the off-white Prestos right here, and yeah, pretty happy. Appreciate it, man. All right. Good seeing you. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so like we said earlier, here is an early look at the Jordan 11 Cool Grays that are stated to release on December 11th for 225 bucks. Let's take a look at these things. So first thing that I'm noticing, it does not have that iconic Jordan 11 pull-out box. You know, the one with the clear cover? It does not have that right here. Not a big deal though. All right, so as far as the sneakers go, this is actually my first time seeing. Wow, these are actually shade-wise really on point. Bam. And huge shout out to Sheck's Closet for plugging these early. Like I said, these drop on December 11th. No pun intended. These are actually really, really nice construction-wise. The quality seems immaculate. The sole is a tiny too icy for my liking. I do like how the originals in 01 had that clear sole, but I don't think Jordan Brand is no longer doing the completely clear sole. But overall, man, the hand feel on these is very solid. The shape is perfect actually for a Jordan 11. They did not go wrong. You got your signature nubuck upper right here. A lot of people like the Concords and the Space Jams because the upper is mesh. A lot of people do not like this type of upper, kind of like with the Columbia 11s and everything. I'm kind of impartial. I do like the mesh on the Concords, but this is actually not bad in person. Overall, I'm not the hugest fan of cool gray 11s. I just think they're kind of hard to pull off, but if you guys like them, this is definitely a very, very solid pickup. And as far as pricing goes, I think right after these drop, I think resale will be around 300 bucks. But the thing with Jordan 11s is right after they drop, they are pretty affordable, but they steadily go up, just like the Concords, just like the Space Jam. So if you do plan on getting these and want to sit on them, these will not be a bad purchase. They're only going to go up. You will not lose your money ever on Jordan 11s. You know, just wrapping this one up, like I said, these drop around holiday season and people go crazy over Jordan 11s. If you like 11s, I would say these are a solid pickup. There's nothing wrong with them at all, and they always hold their value. I wouldn't go and say you should pay an arm and a leg for them, but if you could get them for, retail or maybe that 300 range, I would say it's worth it. Also, down in the comments below, I want to hear your guys' favorite 2 Jordan 11s. I know we were talking about this on House of Hype, what our favorites were. Some people said the Breads. I was saying the Space Jams. Even Lyna said the Cherry Reds. But yeah, I want to know in the comments down below what your guys' favorite Jordan 11 is. Johnny was saying the cool grays, but there's no way it could be the cool grays. You know, I'm not gonna fall on the hype train just because these are dropping this December. I'm not gonna go and say these are the best, you know what I mean? But yeah, I would say if you like cool gray 11s, these are definitely very solid. Like I said, dropping December 11th, 225 bucks. These are definitely gonna have people going crazy.